Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on security. Now let's enter more settings, and here on the second position we've got encryption and credentials. And at the very bottom of shown list we've got delete all credentials option, so simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on delete. If you've got the pattern open, then enter it to confirm, and here you've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.